By the end of the video, we'll know about effective jump workouts that can enhance your fitness and agility. Jumping exercises are fantastic for improving explosive power, lower body strength, and overall athleticism. Let's explore some jump workouts to incorporate into your routine. Benefits of jump workouts. Jumping exercises not only improve strength and power, but also boost cardiovascular fitness and coordination. They engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them efficient for full body conditioning. Jump workouts 1. Box jumps. How to do it. Stand facing a sturdy box or platform. Bend your knees and swing your arms back. Jump explosively onto the box, landing softly with both feet. Step down carefully and repeat 3 sets of 10 jumps. 2. Jump squats. How to do it. Start with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower into a squat position, then explode upwards into a jump. Land softly and immediately lower back into a squat. Perform 3 sets of 15 reps. 3. Burpees. How to do it. Begin in a standing position, then squat down and place your hands on the floor. Jump your feet back into a plank position. Perform a push-up, then jump your feet towards your hands. Explosively jump upwards, reaching your hands overhead. Complete 3 sets of 12 reps. Middle content reminder. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. 4. Tuck jumps. How to do it. Start in a standing position with your feet shoulder width apart. Jump vertically, bringing your knees up towards your chest. Land softly and immediately repeat 3 sets of 15 jumps. 5. Split squat jumps. How to do it. Start in a lunge position with your right foot forward. Lower into a lunge, then explode upwards and switch legs mid-air. Land softly with your left foot forward and immediately repeat on the other side. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps on each leg. Quick nutrition tip. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dynamite ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Finish your jump workout with a cool down to reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility. Perform stretches targeting your calves, quads, hamstrings, and hip flexors to promote recovery and prevent injury. Incorporate these jump workouts into your routine to enhance your athletic performance and fitness levels. Remember to maintain proper form and gradually increase intensity as you progress. Consistency is key to seeing improvements, so keep challenging yourself and stay motivated towards your fitness goals. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Stay motivated, stay active, and keep jumping towards a healthier lifestyle.